Hello, my dear students. Now, today I welcome you once again in today's lecture. Let me revise what I taught you in previous lecture. In the previous lecture, I was telling you about the industries based on the ownership as well as on the size. According to size, the industries are divided into two, that is the small scale industries and the large scale industries. And you can see over here cottage industries, which are also called as the small scale industries. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री जो घर पे काम करते हैं, छोटे छोटे का बास्केट बनाना, ये सब करना, बिस्किट्स बनाना, ये सब these all comes in cottage industries. And after that we have large scale industries. I told you the difference of the small scale industries and the large scale industries. And after that, according to ownership, I told you about the private sector industries, then joint sector, then cooperative sector, and then public sector. Now you can see over here, this is the private sector in which we have Tata's and Bajaj. These are private sectors. And now I would like to give you assignment that find out who is the owner of this Tata Industries and the Bajaj Industries. Okay. After that, we have a joint sector. In joint sector, I told you whether private individuals as the government, they both collaborate to make these industries. And in this comes the Oil India Limited. After joint sector, we have a cooperative sector. In cooperative sector, we have handloom industries. Cooperative sector already I explained you, जहाँ पे कई लोग मिलके, even farmers मिलके, workers मिलके industry set up करते हैं. So in this it comes that handloom industries. After that we have food processing industries, and after that dairy product industries like Amul, Mother Dairy and all. These are all cooperative sector industries. And now we have public sector industries. In public sector industries, we have public sector industries means which is owned by the government of a country. That is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, and we have SAIL also. Okay, Steel Authority of India Limited. Okay, after that, now I'm going to take today's topic. Today's topic is the factors which are needed for the industries. मीन्स क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें चाहिए एक इंडस्ट्रीज़ को लोकेट करने के लिए. Now children, if you want to set up an industry, you have to look for many things. अगर मुझे कोई इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करनी है तो मुझे पहले क्या क्या चीज़ें देखनी है. पहली बात, सपोज करो मुझे कॉटन इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करनी है. I am going to look after the raw material, availability of raw material. I can't set up that textile industry, cotton textile industries in Haryana, because the import, that is the transport of raw material, that is cotton, it will be too expensive in Haryana. So we are going to set up these industries where the cotton production is mostly found, like in Gujarat, Mumbai and all. Mostly the cotton textiles industries are found in these areas only, because the cotton is mostly grown over there. In the same way, जहाँ पे sugar cane होती है, grow होती है, वहाँ पे आपको sugar mills दिखाई देंगी. In the same way, जहाँ पे आपको जूट जो है ग्रो होता है, वहाँ पे जूट इंडस्ट्रीज़ दिखाई देती हैं. ठीक है, जहाँ पे जो रॉ मटेरियल्स होता है वहाँ पे वो इंडस्ट्रीज़ पाई जाती है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव लैंड. हम लैंड देखेंगे. ठीक है, हमको लैंड सूटेबल कहाँ मिलेगी, सस्ती कहाँ मिलेगी, वो भी देखना ज़रूरी है. फिर हम वाटर देखेंगे. वाटर मीन्स कहाँ पे पानी हमको ईजिली अवेलेबल होगा. ठीक है, हम जहाँ पानी से दूर होगा वहाँ पे हमको कॉस्टली पड़ जाएगी इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करना. आफ्टर दैट लेबर भी देखा जाएगा. लेबर मीन्स हमको जहाँ पे सस्ती लेबर मिल सके, आराम से लेबर मिल सके. ठीक है, वर्कर्स काम करने के लिए मिल सके. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव पावर. पावर मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीन्स जहाँ पे हमको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अवेलेबल होएगी इजिली, वहाँ पे है. उसके बाद वी हैव कैपिटल. कैपिटल मीन्स वी नीड मनी ऑल्सो. मनी के बाद वी नीड ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे रेलवे लाइन ईजिली अवेलेबल हो, रोड्स फैसिलिटीज़ हो, वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव मार्केट. मार्केट मीन्स वहाँ पे मार्केट भी इसलिए अवेलेबल होना चाहिए जहाँ पे अपने प्रोडक्शंस को जो है अपने सेल कर सकें. सो दीज आर द वेरियस फैक्टर्स विच आर नीडेड फॉर द industries. Now you can see the location factors of industries in the image provided over here. Just see over here, these are power, then raw material and infrastructure, transportation, we have after that all these things play a major role in the location of an industries.